Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CDIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Very nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, a nice return of volume. So certainly some updates here need to be made as we head into Friday. First thing I'm going to do is just some house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of these lines here. Yeah, these levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going forward, 0055, they're going to be that level of support and the newest area. And I'm not going to call it a must hold or do or die because that'd be a little bit too extreme. But it is very important because if the price were to come down here and then go down below it, well, what is that doing as far as this breakout is concerned? Well, it's literally putting the price right back inside of the range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but if today's price movement is a true breakout, well, the price is not going to go back to where it just broke out from, right? It's going to make at least some sort of form of progress forward, meaning, sure, the price could still come down here a little bit, and if it did that, however, behave like that before starting to work its way back upwards, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, we would have what we call continuation in the world of trading, and that is where you have a set of lows there, you have lows there, and heck, you even have lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, now all of a sudden you'd have stair steps just continuing in the upwards direction, and that's what you want to see. So again, if 0055 is broken, does that mean that the entire chart is destroyed? No, but as far as today's late day breakout is concerned, if this is the start of something bigger as far as the breakout, well then yeah, you want to see the price keep on getting bigger by showing signs of progress and staying up above 0055. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are at, nothing fancy here other than the fact of where the party stopped up there at 007 from the past. So James Bond level 007 going to be that key battleground going into Friday, and we'll see if the price can break above it or not. By no means am I saying the price has to break above it or else it's a total failure. I'm just saying that technically speaking, there just aren't any other areas of resistance until up around that area. But no doubt about it, very nice movement today, great volume, and not just a question of can the price build upon this breakout. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.